Hello and welcome back to an update video regarding the pound yen forex pair that we took a trade on Friday or late last week. This is a quick update to check in with the fam and just to report back to see how the trade is progressing. As you can see, we did draw out the levels as described in our previous video, and I will put a link, or you can see it in the playlist. We took our entry here as we saw this good structure on not only the 4-hour time frame but also the daily as well, where this area of interest has always been a particular turning point. We saw a huge pump on the daily time frame, and we've also focused in on the 4-hour to see how that would play out. At the time, the price was negative, and we were saying that it is in a good price zone with an 80 odd pip stop loss and a good profit range there. So currently at the moment, this is a 1 to 3.35 risk to reward ratio, and the trade is still running. We were saying that if it breaks over this high, we would bring our trade to break even. So let me just mark that because I will be doing another update video. Oops, that is a terrible straight line. That's even worse. Let me just get out the horizontal ray. So over here we are now saying that this is break even. Let me color that in green, make sure that everybody's happy with that. So we're on that break of there. We are now on a break-even trade there. It's not going to cost us anything, even if price does go against us. But ultimately, that is a high that we are aiming for. Feel free, if you're in profits, do take profits. You can never go broke taking profits, as the saying goes, and that's what it's looking like on the 4-hour. If we look on the 1-hour time frame, it's even more apparent regarding the range that we are trading. The market ranges 70% of the time, and this is a beautiful example of a range trade. So it's still there, still active. It's in profit. We're waiting to see if price would continue going up to our target zone. Let's have a look. So that's about 70 pips there. So like I said, you can take profit now, but then you do actually want to be consistent in your trade setup. It's still a value trade. Obviously you've missed the entry now if you hadn't gone or entered there, but in terms of market change and market structure, it has now broken the local high, and we see no reason for it to continue going up. Now there is a trend line that we've drawn in here, which is a diagonal trend line. These trend lines tend to be a lot weaker than regular horizontal trend lines, but that's there because we're seeing a wick or a touch point there, another touch point there, and essentially price came towards that area. So we'll see what happens. Price could ultimately continue going here and then continue going up, or it could completely break down. We just don't know. But right now, trade is looking good. Quick update video for you guys. Watch out for the next one. See you again soon.